Welcome to the video where I'm going to design the candle holder using surfacing tools. Now, if you'd like to learn the surfacing to the professional level, you can just click the link below and you can join my course where I have over 45,000 students. So let's get started.
In these exercises, we're going to show how to create this candle holder. For these exercises, we're going to use swept surface, revolving surface, and intersection curves. So let's go to the SolidWorks and let's open our file. So here we have this file. And now first, let's go here to the surfaces and let's select your revolved surface like this. So let's select this axis. And here we have this surface, as we can see, and we can only accept this. Make sure it's 360 and let's click OK. And this is the surface. Now we're going to create here a helix. So let's go to the features. Let's go to the curves and let's go here to the helix and spiral. Let's select this circle. Let's go with pitch and revolution, constant pitch. Let's go with 21 for pitch, 1 revolution, start angle 0 degrees clockwise. And let's hit OK. Like this. Now let's go on the top plane. Let's create a new sketch here. Let's create a line. So let's go here and let's select a line. Let's start here from the origin. And let's go here to the helix, like this. Now let's select this point of the line. Hold Ctrl and let's select this helix, like this. And let's go with Pierce relation, like this. Click OK, and our sketch is fully defined. Now let's exit the sketch. Now we're going to go here to the swept surface, like this. And we're going to go here with sketch profile. So for the profile, we're going to select this line, and here for a path, we're going to select this helix, like this, and now let's click OK, like this. And now we're going to use a tool, intersection curves, because we want to create a 3D sketch that's intersection of those two curves. So let's go here to the tools, sketch tools, and intersection curve, like this. And now let's select this surface here, this one here, all those surfaces, like this. Now let's click OK. And now here we have this 3D sketch, but here we have this gap. So let's fix this gap. So let's go here to the line and let's create between those 2 points a line, like this. Let's click OK. And now our sketch is fully defined and we can exit the sketch. So this is 3D sketch. Now let's hide this surface. Let's hide the helix and this surface here, like this. So here we have this 3D sketch. So this is what we want. Now we can go here to the features and we can use here swept boss base. So we're going to go here with circular profile and we're going to select here this profile. Let's go with the diameter 0.26 and hit enter, like this, and let's go with OK. And this is what we're looking for. Now we can go here to the circular pattern. You can go here with a sweep. Let's go with 12 instances. Let's select axis 1. We can see the preview and we can just simply click OK. Now let's go on the front plane and let's create a new sketch. Let's go normal 2, like this. Let's start with a line. Let's start here. Let's go with vertical line. Let's go with horizontal line. Then let's go with a line to here, like this. Let's go down and let's finish here, like this. Now let's make this point here and this point here. Let's go with coincident. Let's click OK. Now let's select this line, like this. Let's delete coincident here, like this. Now we can move this line, like this. Now let's go to the left side. Let's define here coincident relation, like this. Now let's go to the smart dimension. Let's go here with 2. Let's select this line and let's go here with 5.5, like this. Let's select this line here and this line here. Let's go with an angle 45 degrees. Let's select the line here. Now let's go here with vertical line, like this. Let's go with horizontal line. Let's go here with inclined line. Let's go with horizontal and let's finish here, like this. Now let's select smart dimension. Let's go here from the origin and let's go to this line here, Let's go with 20 and hit enter. Like this. Now let's select this line here, and let's go with 4. Now let's select this line here and this point here, and let's go with point 18. Like this. This line is 0.95. Between this line and this line, we have 1. And this line here is 1.5. Like this, let's click OK, and now our sketch is fully defined. Now let's exit the sketch. Now let's go here to the features. Let's go here to the revolve boss base. And let's select here axis 1. Like this, and let's click OK. And this is our candle holder, as you can see here. Now if you want, you can add some appearance and you can render your model to get more realistic look.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got a good value from it. And if you want access to my full courses, you can just click the link below and you can enroll to my courses where I have over 45,000 students. See you in another video.